This is fantastic.
These are the one that she mentioned about with the very high doors. Like them a lot.
Look at this.
Check it out.
This is perfect.
Like it.
Look at how good is the
It's so soft.
geometric decoration, geometric pattern.
It is
on
beautiful.
Very geometric. Yeah. Oh, this is perfect.
Lotus.
Icona.
I like the matching color. You see this color, which is slightly gray, together with our US. It's very nice.
Yeah, and it gives the door, a simple door, gives a character to a simple door.
That's right. Check it out.
So smooth.
The mechanism in general, they're very good there.
Yeah.
Classic door. Take a look. The classic door with the RS.
Yeah.
With the super copper.
Yeah, this matching is gorgeous.
They're good. I like them. I like them a lot.
Llama and black finish. This is like a velvet.
It is. It's very soft. Let me see it again. Yeah, nice. Good stuff. It is good stuff.
You see the icona as well again.
On a simple door. Look at that. Look in its simplicity. How good it is. This matching
with the matching finishing of the lock. Yeah.
Like that.
It creates really something beautiful.
Like that.
It gives a character to the door.
It does. It does. That's what
Look at Kono.
Oh, you're right. Look at that.
This is perfect.
Gray and gray. I like it. Isn't it the same door we've seen it on the other side?
Yeah.
Like it.
Okay.
This door has the top part. You see here? Very nice. And
Tom, look at that.
look at that. That is fantastic. The crystal.
Yeah.
The ice cube with the clear crystal.
With the reflection.
On a black.
Wonderful.
It's very nice. I like it a lot. Fantastic. Try that out. It's cool. Really nice.
Very, very good. Yeah, look at this also.
On a classic door. Very classic.
Yeah.
That's real.
Anthracite.
This is real style. I like that.